Today we are making Easter chocolate pretzel bark, and let me tell you, it is amazing. So yummy, you guys. I want it all the time now. It's delicious. Welcome back to Shalice Bakes Cakes. To start out making our pretzel bark, we need to align these pretzels on the pan. Make sure they're nice and aligned because it'll be easier to set the chocolate on top. Set the chocolate right here on top of the pretzels. I started with the milk chocolate. Then the white chocolate. And then the dark chocolate. I added a few pieces onto the sides just to make sure those pretzels got covered. I baked it at 285 for about 8 to 10 minutes. You can kind of see the chocolate melting in the oven. Just check it so that you don't burn your chocolate, but you want to make sure your chocolate is melted. The dark chocolate takes the longest to melt. Once we pull it out of the oven, you can see I'm just swirling that chocolate around. While the chocolate is still melted, I'm going to add some little bunnies and some chicks. Obviously some mini eggs. And we had to top it all off with some sprinkles. Then you need to let your chocolate set before you try and lift it out of the pan. And then you can break all the chocolate apart. That is the super fun part, to break this chocolate. And oh my gosh, guys, it's amazing. So good. Go try it. Let me know if you do and what else you want me to make here at Shalice Bakes Cakes. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys.